Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing and verifying your Google account so permissions flow smoothly. Sign in and enable two-step verification to protect access. Once done, install Chrome or your preferred browser and sign in to sync bookmarks, extensions, and saved passwords. Make sure your mic and camera are enabled, then test Google Meet and a Drive upload to check bandwidth. These steps reduce friction and protect data, so you can move into day-to-day workflows without repeated logins or lost time. Next, organize how you'll work daily by structuring Drive with dedicated folders, shared drives, and consistent file names to avoid confusion. Then build templates in Docs and Sheets for recurring tasks, and add simple apps, script automations, or macros to reduce repetitive work. After that, schedule calendar blocks with meet links and include buffers for breaks. Make sure notification settings are tuned so you see high-priority alerts without constant interruptions. These steps keep collaboration smooth and reduce time wasted searching or redoing work. Finally, finalize access by double-checking sharing permissions, enabling version history, and setting a regular backup cadence to prevent data loss. Make sure teammates know folder structure, use templates, and follow meeting etiquette so collaboration stays efficient. If something breaks, first clear your browser cache and cookies, then check Google account limits like storage or API quotas, and test the action in an incognito window or another browser. If problems persist, reproduce the issue step by step so you can escalate with clear details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.